All right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I have Bayker Blankenship for you guys. So this song is called 300 Miles. Bayker is 300 miles from his baby, so he's having a party there, playing guitar and drinking. Yeah, that's a real party. So let's go into this one, and we're gonna use a capo. It's placed here on the 4th fret. That's the best scenario for us. So we'll skip all the bar chords if you have that capo there and if you want to match with the sound. So that's the reason. Let's go into the 4 chords needed: A minor, G, F, and C. So we're gonna start with A minor, and it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. G next, and there will be the 3rd E, second A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. F, which is a bar chord, so you place your index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And finally we have the C. You're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So there we have it. Now let's go into the strumming. We're gonna learn it with the first A minor chord. So you're gonna play down, up, like this. Okay, and to have some variation into the sound and strumming, I like to highlight the second and last down there. So I'm playing on the bass strings for the down, up, and then when I come to the last down, I go down and hit the higher strings there, and the final up, I try to go back to the bass strings. So that gives us a certain rhythm that goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you really try to emphasize the second and last down there. So okay, so that is how you handle the strumming. So let's go into the verse, and I can just mention right now the verse and the chorus is played in the same way. I'm going to give you the different parts, and then you have to put it together on your own. So you're going to play A minor, 1 string around, G, 1 string around, F, 1 string around, and C, 4 string rounds. That is the chord progression. So A minor 1, G 1, F 1, and C 4, like this. 2, 3, 4, and again A minor, G, F, and C 4. So that is how you handle, like I said, verse and the chorus play. Then we have that pre-chorus in between there, and the first one starts at 57 seconds into the song, so you understand what I'm meaning there. 300 miles, that's where we are in the lyrics. So that part you're gonna handle with G, 4 string rounds, F2, and C2. And that chord progression of G4, F2, and C2, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. And after that 2 rounds, you're gonna go back to the main again. A minor 1, G1, F1, and C4. But first, let's go through the 2 rounds of G4, F2, and C2. Again, G4, F2, and C2. And that's how you do the pre-chorus parts. And now you have all the tools to handle Blankenship's 300 miles. All right, so 300 miles, a great song, fits guitar very well, and he's been with us before. Maybe you recognize a song called Maxed Out. You can watch that tutorial here on Going Guitar. So yeah, feel free to do that. Support me any way you like. Thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.